did provide our students with a platform to showcase their talents, and I'm sure that you all must have thoroughly enjoyed it. As a new day is a chance to change life, this day too is filled with activities, and I assure you that you will all enjoy it. Without much further delay, we will move on with our on-stage event for the day.
What happened to no animals? No trees? No birds? Where am I?
Hey, wait a minute. Who are you? You seem to be out of fashion, just like a bull in a china shop.
I'm Sage Banjara, and I feel lonely and out of place in this world. My world is the best, the ancient times.
Why do you say that? Our world is still beautiful. Look at these monuments, those buildings, and moreover, fun, frolic, and music.
Ours was a science that traced back its origin to the Vedas. Ayurvedic practice flourished during the time of Buddha around 520 BC.
Now that sounds interesting, but in today's day science, it's not lagging behind. We have inventions right from the lighting of a bulb to the launching of the rocket.
We too have renowned sages who were pioneers in their respective fields, like Aryabhatta, the famous mathematician and astronomer, Acharya Kannad, the founder of atomic theory, and many more. It was an awe-inspiring age.
Oh, I would have loved to be part of this awe-inspiring age. But our present has a lot to offer us. We have inventions like the automobile, the spacecraft. Walking on the moon is not only limited to dreams and unfulfilled wishes, rather, it has become a reality. We have innumerable cures to the deadly diseases around, which during your time must have only been limited to prayers.
You have piqued my curiosity, and I would love to stay here and explore the place.
Oh, I will indeed be happy to have you here.
But what are the...
Hold on, hold on. I know you have an arena of questions. This is the best place to be in, as there is a quiz competition, Scientific Temper, where you'll get your answers to your mind-haunting questions.
That would be great. I would love to see what advancement has taken place in science.
So, we'll begin with our quiz.
But wait, who will be the Shishya to answer the questions?
Please welcome the teams who will be Shishya with a round of applause. Purple Tulip,
Pink Lotus. Please put your hands together.
Yellow Sunflower,
Blue Bells. Please give them a round of applause.
Maroon Anthurium. Kindly note, Red Rose and Orange Dahlia are not participating.
But wait, who will be the guru to ask them questions?
We have amidst us Mr. Rahun Rajendra Bandekar, a quiz master.
And who will be there to accompany him?
Mr. Yogesh Kerka will accompany him. We welcome you,
all,
sirs. Mr. Rohan Bandekar is the winner of prestigious Chennai Goibab Khathamal Award in 2005. He holds a diploma in mechanical engineering. He loves writing, acting, and collecting stamps. Mr. Yogesh is a technocrat, an entrepreneur. He is also an active member of the Junior to International Vasco and is serving as the organization as its zone director for management. He owns a technology showroom named PC Station in Vasco. With no much delay, I hand over the mic to the quiz master to commence this quiz.
Let us give all a thundering applause to all the participants.
Hello.
Test, test.
Good morning, everyone. Requesting all the team members to introduce yourselves. We'll start from the yellow sunflower.
Andrews High Secondary.
My name is Mark Pinto and I'm from St. Andrews High Secondary.
My name is Sujit Gaonkar and I am from Shantarga High Secondary.
My name is Vianshu Acosta and I am from Shantadurga High Secondary.
My name is Joel Vegas. I am from Fadagnal High Secondary.
My name is Fan Fernandez and I am from Father Agnel's High Secondary.
My name is Natasha Araujo from Santa Cruz High School.
My name is Joyman D'Souza from Santa Cruz High School.
My name is Vishal and I am from Divyar High Secondary.
My name is Sharang Salgaonkar and I am from Divyar High Secondary School.
Yeah, I'll tell you in brief how the quiz is going to happen. The first round will be based on general science. The second round will be on identifying the personality. The third round will be an audio-visual round. The fourth round will be on the latest news in science and technology. The fifth and the final round will be a rapid-fire round. These are the general instructions. When the question involves an abbreviation, each word in the abbreviation should be correct, and requesting the audience not to prompt answers. We start with round one to the yellow sunflower.
Hello. Okay, round one is on general science round. Okay, the question will be displayed onto the screen. The moment the question is displayed, a timer will appear on the screen itself. You will have 30 seconds to answer the question, starting from the time when the question is displayed. 30 seconds time, and there is a timer. You will see it. Okay. This particular round, general science round, will be held in 2 cycles, clockwise and anti-clockwise. All right. Each team will get a chance to choose their question. Okay. We'll start with team 1. Okay, your direct question. We'll start with team 1, your direct question. The screen, look at the screen. Choose.
4.
Number 4. So your question number 4, and the question is,
Who invented the printing press?
the timer is down. It's filling up. Time's up.
Time up.
Pass it to the audience. We'll pass. You take a pass.
We'll give it the pass.
Okay, we'll pass it to the next team. You'll get 5 points if you answer it correctly. Pass. Pass.
John Gutenberg.
John Gutenberg is the right answer. Okay, we go.
Direct question to Pink Lotus.
Choose anything other than 4. 3.
What is the full form of TFT? What is the full form of TFT? Time up. The question passes to Purple Tulip. The question passes to Blue Bellies. The question passes to Maroon Anthurium. The question is open to the audience. Any
Passes to you. Yellow sunflower.
yellow sunflower? The question is open to the audience.
TFT, as it's the monitor, as in TFT, as in the TFT monitor.
Anybody in the audience? The full form of TFT.
Pass. The audience also passes.
The answer is thin film transistor. The direct question to Purple Tulip.
Choose. Number 5.
What is the scientific name of dog? What is the scientific name of dog? Time up. The question passes to Blue Bellies. The question passes to Maroon Anthurium.
On the mic, please.
Felidae.
No. Huh?
Falcidae.
What?
Falcidae.
Incorrect. The question passes to Yellow Sunflower.
Canine. Candidacy.
Good guess.
It's a family, sir.
Next.
Candidacy.
The question is open to the audience. Yeah, that's right.
How many guessed it right? We go to the next team.
Direct question to Blue Bellies.
Choose. 7. Question 7.
What is the chemical name of baking soda?
Sodium. Sodium bicarbonate.
Yeah, that's right.
Direct question to the next team. Maroon Anthurium.
Direct question to Maroon Anthurium.
10.
10.
The first scientific base station of India situated in Antarctica.
What is it called as?
Name the first scientific base station of India situated in Antarctica. Time's up. The question passes to Yellow Sunflower. Pink Lotus. Purple Tulip.
Dakshin Gangotri.
Yeah, that's right, Dakshin Gangotri.
Okay, complete first round, first cycle.
The first round is complete. The set of first questions. Now we have set of another questions in the first round.
We complete the first cycle. Now we start the second cycle. We go the anti-clockwise. So we start with this team.
We start with maroon and thorium.
Choose.
Okay.
Choose a number.
12.
12. Okay.
What is the full form of DRDO?
Relates to defense. It's a clue.
The full form of DRDO.
That's time up.
Time up. The question passes to blue bellies.
Pass.
The question passes to purple tulip.
Pass.
Question passes to pink lotus. Question passes to yellow sunflower.
Yes, on the mic, use the mic, no? Guess. No?
Any guesses? Mike.
Okay, guess.
Defense organization. Last.
Good, you're guessing well, but you're not.
The question is open to the audience. That's right.
It's not defense, it's defense first and organization last.
Direct question to blue bellies.
Choose a number. 11 already taken. 2, okay.
The filament in the electric bulb is made up of which element?
Tungsten.
That's right, tungsten. Direct question to purple tulip.
Choose.
1.
Number 1.
How many electrons does the hydrogen atom have?
1.
That's right, it's 1. Direct question to pink lotus.
Number 9.
What is the full form of NASA?
National Aeronautics Space Agency.
That's right. No, it's wrong. It's Space Administration. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. And it's an abbreviation. As the instructions were given, each word should be right.
Okay, we'll give it to you. We'll give it to you. We'll consider that, okay? So it was a direct question, right? Okay. Direct question to the team. Last question. Last question of the first round, that is general science round. Choose. Choose a number.
9.
Number 9 is taken.
8.
8 is not taken. Okay, so I give it to you. 8. Question number 8.
What is the chemical name of washing soda? What is the chemical name of washing soda?
Sodium carbonate.
That's right, it's sodium carbonate.
Okay, at the end of round 1, the scores are as follows. Team Maroon and Thorium is yet to open your account. Okay. Team Yellow Sunflower is on 10 points. Team Pink Lotus. Team Pink Lotus is on 10 points. Team Purple Tulips is on 15 points. And leading the first round is Team Bluebells on 25 points.
We start with the round 2. The second round is about identifying the personality. You will be given 3 clues. If you answer after the first clue is given, you get 30 points. If you answer with the help of the second clue, you get 20 points. And you answer with the help of the third clue, which will be a visual clue, you get 10 points. So 30, 20, and 10. This is the pattern we are going to follow. Direct question.
No, wait, have you understood the rules? Okay. First clue, second clue, and a third clue. Third clue is a visual clue. We'll show you the photograph of the person. This round is identifying the personality round. So these are some people who have done work in these fields. Okay. You will select a topic of your choice, and that particular topic choice question will be asked to you. All right. You will get 30 seconds for each the same time zone. You'll see the time zone coming up, and you'll get 30 seconds to answer on each clue. The moment the clue is displayed onto the screen, you can ask on the mic, no?
Clue is displayed, then 30 seconds more like that.
The moment it is displayed, the 30-second timer will start.
Again.
Yes, it will start. The
For
moment
each clue, 30 seconds.
Each clue, 30 seconds. Okay, any questions? Clear, no? These are all personality, identifying the personality around. These are Indian scientists. Okay. We start with team 1.
Team Yellow. Okay. We start with Yellow Sunflower. Choose anyone.
Pick up a subject of your choice.
Physicist.
Physicist.
Clue 1. An Indian nuclear scientist and a mechanical engineer of Goan origin, awarded the highest civilian award of...
Just a minute, sorry. Sorry, it's a technical error. Just a minute, I'll just check. Okay, I did not click the right link. Okay, your choice was physicist, right? So I go to physicist, the first clue.
An Indian Bengali physicist specializing in mathematical physics. He is best known for his work on quantum mechanics in early 1920s. Time's up. We move on to the clue 2. Second clue. A fellow of Royal Society, worked with Albert Einstein and was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 1954 by the Government of India. Time's up. We move on to the visual clue.
This is your chance to score 10 points. Maximum you could have scored is 30, 20, and 10. This is your last chance to score 10 points.
Identify.
This gentleman has worked with Einstein. He has got a formula named after him, jointly named after him and Einstein.
Time's up. This question cannot be passed But anyone on the floor? Okay, anyone in the audience can attempt? That's right, it's Satyendranath Bose. Direct question to Pink Lotus.
Team
Nuclear
Pink Lotus.
science.
Huh?
Nuclear science.
Nuclear science.
The Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor of physics at Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Time's up. We move on to the clue 2. Colloquially known as the father of Indian nuclear program and has a nuclear research institute named after him in Trombay. It's very popular. A nuclear research institute is named after him.
Third clue.
The visual clue. Time's up. Anyone from the audience?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Homi Jahangir Baba, that's right.
Okay, direct question to team 3, Purple Tulip. You choose.
Indian space.
Indian space.
Yeah, no.
Clue 1. One of the greatest scientists of India, born on 12th August 1919 at Ahmedabad. The nation honored him, awarding Padma Bhushan in 1966 and Padma Vibhushan in 1972.
The Padma Vibhushan was awarded posthumously.
Time's up. We move on to the clue 2. He was a rare combination of a scientist, an innovator, industrialist, and a visionary. He is considered as the father of Indian space program. The catch sentence, the father of Indian space program.
C.V. Raman.
Incorrect.
Visual clue.
Time's up. Anyone in the audience? Yeah, that's right. Vikram Sarabhai. Question 2, the blue bellies. The blue bellies.
Chemist.
Indian chemist who has worked mainly in solid state and structural chemistry. He currently serves as the head of Scientific Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India.
It's a very recent current affairs question.
A current affairs question. Recently he was in news. Time's up.
We go to the second clue.
We go to the clue 2. The recipient of Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award in India, making him the third scientist after C.V. Raman and APJ Abdul Kalam to receive the award. He was conferred the award on 4th February 2014.
Just last year.
He was conferred the award on 4th February 2014. Time's up. The question is open to the audience.
No, the visual clue. The visual clue.
The visual clue. Anyone in the audience can attempt?
The answer has come from behind.
No, not SR. It's Rao, CNR Rao. He was
CNR
awarded the Bharat Ratna last year in 2014. We move on to the last question. It's for the Maroon Anthurium.
Goan origin.
Okay, Goan origin.
Scientist of Goan origin. Okay.
First clue. An Indian nuclear scientist and a mechanical engineer of Goan origin awarded the highest civilian award of Goa, Gomant Vibhushan Puraskar, in 2010. Awarded the highest civilian award of Goa, Govant Vibhushan Puraskar, in 2010. Time's up. We move on to the second clue. Awarded as Padma Vibhushan in 2009, served as the director of Baba Atomic Research Center, Trombay, from 1996 to 2000. Currently residing at Mumbai. He served as the director of Baba Atomic Research Center, Trombay. We move on to the visual clue. Time's up. Anyone in the audience? Anil Kakodkar, that's the right answer. His father was Mr. Purushottam Kakodkar, the freedom fighter.
He is son of Purushottam Kakodkar. Okay, so by that we end
the second round, requesting Yogesh sir to kindly give the scores.
At the end of round 2, on round 2, I'm sorry none of you scored any points, so the scores remain as they were in round 1. Okay, that is Blue Bells with 25, Purple Tulip with 15, Pink Lotus with 10, Yellow Sunflower with 10, and Maroon Ethereum not yet opened your account.